Minister Narendra Modi has emphasized empowering farmers with digital and innovative technologies for ensuring world food and nutritional security. He addressed the G20 delegates at the Agriculture Ministers meeting being held in Hyderabad through a video link. Sharing the country's experience, the Prime Minister said India is following a policy back to basics and marching to the future, promoting technology and animal farming. He said farmers across India are not using synthetic fertilizers and they are following soil protection practices, promoting organic fertilizer and proactively using technology. He said farmers in India are using solar power for farming and optimizing resources.
Traditional practices from different parts of the world may inspire us to develop alternative for regenerative agriculture. We need to empower our farmers with innovation and digital technology. We must also make solutions affordable for small and marginal farmers in the global south. There is also an urgent need to reduce agriculture and food waste and instead invest in creating wealth from waste.